Okay guys, on October 17, 2024, now you can see that this is my plant of cotyledon pendens. Botanically, this is the name of this plant, while commonly this plant is called as the cliff cotyledon. So now we will try to propagate this plant with the help of stem cutting. Okay, so we have to choose certain healthy cuttings in order to propagate this out. So let's take a pruner and we will select certain good cuttings, and this is our first cutting. You can see, now you can see it properly. Okay, and we will take this as the second cutting. Okay, and we have to remove the lower leaves because when we place this cutting in the soil, okay, so leaves can touch the soil and can cause certain rot. So better is to remove these leaves out. Now let me zoom in out so that you can see the cuttings properly, and they are not more than 2 inches. And we know that succulents always used to propagate successfully in my area. Okay, on October 27, 2024. Now you can see that I have taken my media, and this media consists of 50% sand, construction sand, and 50% simple garden soil. So now we will water it out, and these are our cuttings, and after like 10 days they are a little bit shriveled up but still surviving. So now we have watered it out. Water it thoroughly so that all the media will get soaked. Okay, and once you did this, next time you will water it out when the upper surface of the media will become totally dried. Now we will level our media. Okay, so like this. Okay, due to the presence of clay, I can see that the water is not going down fastly. And okay, you can see the bubbles are coming out of this pot. Okay, so some of the water used to come out from the down pores. And now we have to wait so that all the media will get soaked properly. Okay, now we just need to insert our cuttings out. And in my area, because it is a subtropical and my area height is about 3,700 feet from the sea level, so it is considered as the best for all sort of plant propagation. So now I am zooming it out, and you can see it properly that how we have placed the cuttings in the media. Okay, on March 28, 2025, after a lot of days, now you can see that although a lot of time has been passed, but still we can't see any sort of very much growth on the shoot side. Why it is so? Because our time is winter, and in winter these plants used to be in dormancy state. So that is why we don't saw any sort of very good success, but still it is good. That we have certain roots coming out from the stem cuttings, and now you can see the second one as well, and you can see that the roots are very good. The roots are not delicate, they are firm. Okay, one taproot and certain fibrous roots. Now we need to again put these cuttings in the media so that our plant will not become dead. Okay, so hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the cliff cotyledon or cotyledon pendens plant from the stem cuttings. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.